Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I wanted to give you a quick update on the gutter guards in the house here. A lot of you asked questions about how they perform in the wintertime, and right now it's 12 degrees and we had a nice sunny day today, and I want to show you kind of what they look like. You're gonna see the biggest problem we have is in the valleys. They fill with water and they freeze over. So here we go. As far as the remainder of the house, well, you can kind of see this morning the snow was completely covering the roof. As it melted off, the gutters also melted off again. It's 12 degrees out today and the sun was enough to melt the ice off the gutter guards and clear everything out. So now, does it 100% keep ice dams from occurring? No. You can see right here, you get a little bit of ice standing right on the bottom here, but they're not huge ice dams. So in this instance, I wouldn't say it's a whole lot different than typical, gutters. You can even see here the downspouts are freezing up as the water comes out, that creates its own problems, That's what you're gonna see here on the south side of the house. Let's walk around to the north side and show you the area that doesn't get a whole lot of sun in general. Well, especially during this time of the month. You'll see up there, there's some snow left over. But generally speaking, the guards are clear back here. I haven't had a whole lot of problems with these, and there's a lot of feedback on the gutter guards causing ice dams, which there is some, but this to me isn't a whole lot different than I had before when I had just plain gutters. They're filling with ice and backing up the same. So if anything, they warm up when the stuff kind of slides off the roof. Anyways, I'll put links below to the gutter guard I'm using, the Gutter Guard Gutter Glove brand. And check out the links above here for the other videos. Thanks for stopping in today. Stay warm. Keep the gutters flowing. I'll catch you next time. See ya.